Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're doing a 8-year review of this Delta handheld shower head. It's a 5-spray shower head that has lasted for 8 years and still going in our showers. Now, we actually got 2 of these like 8 years ago, and it's a very useful one. This was bought in 2013, and they still have these things. So it's pretty awesome. Let's go over and do the review. It is a 2.0 gallon per minute shower head, which makes it quite efficient. And also, all the rubber and the housing and everything is still intact, even after 8 years, which is really cool. The hose still doesn't flex that as well, but the calcium buildup does not collect very well on those nozzles, which is good. And that's what kept it going on for so long. Normally, we get a lot of calcium buildup there, but as you can see, it's very low calcium buildup, and we clean it every so often with a towel. That's it. And the thing is that it comes with all the hardware. It is nickel, brushed nickel, which has very few fingerprints, which is good. I also want to say that the handle is rubberized, which is really good, and the rubber hasn't failed at all. It's very, very nice in terms of it. In fact, we changed out to chrome trim for everything, and we wanted to switch this out too, but since it worked so well, we just kept it. But at the same time, it is pretty awesome, and it's very efficient in terms of how you use this thing. It provides plenty of water for showering, and with the 5 sprays, it just works really well. It has a massage spray, it has that H2oKinetic mode as well, but overall it's very, very durable, as well as it keeps a lot of water coverage throughout our bodies when we shower, which makes it very efficient with the water. Anyways, that's really about it. It's extremely durable. That's why we really like this this unit. But anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.